Okay, hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna show how to replace an LCD in Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. First of all, let's open the back of this phone. Before this step, you have to remove the SIM card holder, as you see in the video. So don't forget it because it will break something if you don't open it. So let's open the back and let's see. As you see, let's test it. The LCD is not working. Let's say the touch screen is not working, so we're gonna replace the old LCD and the touch screen. We remove the back. After this process, we had to remove the battery. This phone has been used, it has been opened once, as I see, because it doesn't has the holders, but no matter. I think the idea of how to replace, you can get it too. After removing the battery, you can remove the fingerprint by just pulling it a little bit. If the battery is not getting off, you can heat it up with a little bit of hair dry or heat gun and it will take off. So let's take off the LCD, the connector, and after this you need to take off the LCD by heating up in 200 degrees, as we always say, and with full speed for about like 2 to 3 minutes. You can do this process with hair gun, hair dry. Sorry, with hair dry. So let's heat up this. I'm sorry guys for my English. I know it's not that good, but I'm doing my best. If you have any question or suggestion, I suggest you to comment, and for other phones too is no problem. But in this video, we're gonna show this kind of replacement of this phone. To remove the LCD, you can use plastic cards. In my case, I use these ones always because these are thin and it helps me a lot. But you can use playing cards or something that is thinner. Anyway, you can use a metal too. It's no problem because this LCD is already broken, and if you broken more, it's not worth it. So no worry. But as I always say, in cases you wanna change something else and you have to open the LCD before work, you have to be careful. You have to heat it up, like a good heat to take the glue off. So this is, we take the screen off and take something to clean the edges where you can put the new LCD. You need a good clean. You can use alcohol too to clean this because it helps you to take off the glue. So don't forget, clean it up good because uh, you can break the LCD if you don't clean it. This clean, it takes me like 10 minutes maybe. So we finish with the cleaning, and now we have the LCD. So let's test this LCD before we install it. We put the LCD connector, and then we put the battery on it. Let's turn it on. This kind of smartphones don't have the code like Samsung's ones, but we can test it by scrolling up and down, and this is how you can test the touch screen and the light and everything. Like you can, this is the way. We this is in full speed, let's say, because it's a process you already do always. But if you have any question or suggestion, if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. Okay, the next process is we're gonna remove the LCD carefully, and it's time to put the glue on it. You can use U7000, sorry guys, or B7000. Okay, now put the LCD carefully, because this is the moment of truth. Just kidding. Don't forget to take off the plastics and this thing, this letter. No matter how you put the LCD, but in my case I put the down part first, and because it's easier and it's better in my opinion. But I think it's not a problem if you put the upper part. Press it a little bit, not much. No. Put the connectors, and then the battery. Check it if the edges are good, and then put the fingerprint, the connector of the fingerprint, and don't forget it. And I think we are done, let's say, but it's not already done. There is another thing. We put the back cover, we crack it, and we we have the SIM card holder and the memory card, so we put it in place where it was. And another thing that we have to mention is you have to keep it like this for 1.5 hours with these things, or by putting a book or something on top of the LCD, because this helps to dry. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, guys.